Can masturbation cause erectile dysfunction? Stop short before it happens? Master masturbation before it masters you. Because if you go too often, you might end up with ED. But what if I told you there's a formula, a real one? Believe it or not, true mastery isn't coincidence. It's numbers. 20 minus 20, 20 minus 20, 20 minus 90. If you know these numbers, you'll time your performance with precision and reduce erectile problems to the max. Curious? Follow me. I'll show you the data and a tip to reach peak performance. Have you ever wondered why sometimes your body doesn't respond the way it used to, even though everything seems fine? Maybe you've noticed it takes longer to get going, or you feel like your energy for intimacy isn't what it once was. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that many men over 40 hesitate to discuss, but understanding it can make a huge difference in your well-being and confidence. If you stick with me until the end, you'll learn how to work with your body instead of against it. And I promise you, it's easier than you think. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Your friends and family might benefit from this advice too. I'm Dr. Emma Blake, and I've spent years studying men's health, particularly how our bodies change after 30, 40, and beyond. Today, we're going to explore the connection between male energy, intimate function, and how timing really matters. We'll focus on something called the recovery period, a natural process that every man experiences. Understanding it can prevent unnecessary frustration and help you maintain peak performance even as you age. Let's start simple. Every man has a built-in recharge system. After you've engaged in sexual activity or self-pleasure, your body needs time to recover before it's ready again. This is completely normal, and it happens to every man, young or old. The body does this for a reason. After climax, certain hormones like dopamine drop, while others like prolactin increase. Your nervous system shifts into more relaxed recovery mode. This isn't a problem or a disorder, it's just your body's way of recharging. Now, here's where things get interesting. As we age, this recovery period naturally lengthens. For example, a man in his 20s might be ready again in a matter of minutes, whereas a man in his 50s or 60s could need hours or even a couple of days. Many men mistake this natural delay for a problem like erectile dysfunction, but it's not. It's just the body signaling that it needs more time between sessions. Think of it like a car. You wouldn't expect to drive 500 miles on a half-full tank, right? Your body works the same way. So why does this matter? Because timing your intimate activity properly can help you maintain energy, confidence, and satisfaction. There's actually a simple framework I like to share with my patients, something I call the age recovery rule. It's not a perfect formula because everyone's body is different, but it's a reliable guideline to prevent frustration. Here's the gist. Take your age, divide it by 10, then square the result. That gives you an approximate recovery time in hours. For instance, a man who's 40 years old would calculate 40 divided by 10 equals 4, then 4 squared equals 16 hours. So roughly 16 hours to recharge before expecting peak performance again. If you're 60, it's about 36 hours. Simple, right? This isn't a rigid rule, just a practical way to respect your body's natural rhythm. Another common question I hear is it harmful to engage too often? The short answer is, not usually, but if you push your body too frequently, especially as you age, it can feel like things aren't working properly. It's not a disease, it's simply overuse. Your body needs that recovery time. Ignoring it is like asking a horse to race back-to-back without rest. It may finish, but performance and health will suffer. Here's the key takeaway for men over 40, especially those with kidney concerns or other health conditions. Understanding and respecting your body's timing isn't just about intimacy. It's about energy, hormonal balance, mental clarity, and overall health. Small adjustments can prevent frustration, improve confidence, and even support better long-term wellness. Before we move forward, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who might benefit. Knowledge is power, and sometimes a simple understanding of your body can change everything. Now that we understand the natural recovery period, let's talk about how to work with it rather than fight it. Many men over 40 feel frustrated because they notice changes in performance, and it's easy to jump to conclusions about erectile issues. But here's the good news. A lot of what feels like a problem is just your body telling you, give me a little more time. First, let's talk about frequency. Many men wonder how often is too much. The truth is, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, but guidelines exist. If you're over 40, aiming for 3 to 4 sessions per week is generally safe and allows your body to fully recover in between. Overdoing it isn't dangerous, but it can leave you feeling drained, mentally foggy, and less confident. It's not about restriction, it's about timing. Another tip I always give my patients is to focus on quality, not quantity. Think of intimacy as a workout for your entire body, not just a single muscle. Paying attention to relaxation, mental focus, and gentle pacing can dramatically improve your experience. Stress, fatigue, and distraction are your biggest enemies. Even if you're younger, these factors can make the recovery period feel longer than it actually is. Now, here's something many men don't realize. Your health habits outside the bedroom directly impact performance. Sleep, nutrition, and hydration are huge. For example, sleep is when your body builds the hormones and energy you need for recovery. Skipping sleep or poor quality rest can double the time your body needs to recharge. Hydration and balanced nutrition support circulation and energy, which are key for sustaining healthy, intimate function. For men with kidney issues or other chronic conditions, these lifestyle factors become even more critical. High blood pressure, diabetes, and other kidney-related concerns can affect circulation and energy. But the silver lining is that respecting recovery, eating well, and managing stress can help you maintain function much longer than you might expect. It's about working with your body, not against it. Let's touch briefly on the concept of biohacks. Some men think they can shortcut nature with medication or supplements. While certain options exist, they're often unnecessary if you focus on lifestyle first. Sleep, balanced meals, moderate exercise, and proper recovery timing are the safest and most sustainable strategies. They help not only your intimate health, but your overall longevity. And yes, mental health matters too. Anxiety, stress, and overthinking can make your recovery feel longer and interfere with performance. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or even simple breathing exercises before intimate activity can reduce stress hormones and improve circulation. Your mind is as much a part of this process as your body. Finally, let's revisit the age recovery rule we discussed earlier. This is your framework, not a limitation. Respect it, track your body's responses, and adjust as needed. You'll notice a huge difference in confidence, energy, and satisfaction. Men who follow this rule often report that they feel more in tune with their body, experience fewer frustrating moments, and enjoy intimacy far more. Remember, this isn't about fear or shame, it's about knowledge and mastery. Mastery isn't coincidence, it's understanding your body's rhythm and working within it. That's the real secret to long-term sexual health and vitality. Don't forget, subscribe and share this video. Someone you care about might be struggling in silence, and this information could make a real difference in their life. Now that we've covered timing, frequency, and lifestyle, let's get into some practical strategies that can help you maintain peak performance, even as you get older, without relying on medication. These are simple, natural approaches that support your body and mind simultaneously. First, prioritize sleep hygiene. Quality sleep is your body's main recharging station. During deep sleep, key hormones that support circulation, energy, and sexual function are produced. For men over 40, this becomes even more important. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid screens right before bed. Even small improvements in sleep quality can significantly shorten recovery time and boost energy. Next, focus on moderate exercise. Cardiovascular activity like walking, swimming, or cycling improves blood flow, which is essential for maintaining intimate health. Strength training is also valuable, as it supports testosterone levels, muscle tone, and overall vitality. Exercise doesn't have to be extreme. Consistency is more important than intensity. Think of it as keeping your engine in top shape. Nutrition also plays a critical role. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean protein support circulation, hormone balance, and energy levels. For men with kidney concerns, it's especially important to choose foods that are kidney-friendly, like lean meats, certain vegetables, and whole grains, while avoiding excessive salt and processed foods. Hydration, too, is vital. Dehydration can reduce blood volume, making recovery slower and more challenging. Another overlooked factor is stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which can interfere with hormone production and circulation.
Simple strategies like deep breathing, meditation, or even a brief walk in nature can reduce stress and help your body recover faster. Mental health isn't separate from physical health. They're deeply interconnected, especially when it comes to intimate function. For men over 50, respecting your body's natural rhythm becomes increasingly important. That means understanding your recovery period, pacing yourself, and using the age recovery rule as a guideline. It's not about restriction, it's about optimizing performance and maintaining confidence. When men follow these principles, many report they not only feel better physically, but also experienced improved mood, mental clarity, and overall well-being. A final tip: track your progress. Keep a simple journal of your energy levels, recovery times, and overall satisfaction. Over weeks and months, you'll notice patterns, and this awareness allows you to make small adjustments for maximum benefit. Knowledge truly is power. Once you understand your body, you can work with it rather than against it.
Remember, small steps lead to significant improvements. Sleep better, eat better, exercise regularly, manage stress, and respect your body's natural rhythm. These strategies not only support intimate health, but also boost your overall quality of life, helping you feel more energetic, confident, and in control. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize one last point. Sharing this knowledge matters. If this video has helped you, share it with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit. Subscribe to stay updated on practical tips for men over 40, and remember, mastery of your body starts with understanding it. Take action today. Start with one small step. Maybe better sleep tonight, a short walk tomorrow, or simply observing your body's signals. Over time, these small choices add up, giving you more energy, better confidence, and a deeper connection with your own body.